This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's greet the participants of our Superstar Show! Woohoo!
Hi, hello there. Thank you.
And now, let me introduce our special Superstar guest.
These Barbies are so stunning. I wish I was like them. Oh, did you hear that? Someone wants to be like us. They'd wish.
Our guest has made a long journey to get here. Welcome, the one and only, Sam!
Yes, it's me! Hello, friends! How's it going? Hey, camera's on me! So, Ken, are you ready for the show? It's gonna be fantastic! I'm sure about that.
It's impossible. We'll never become as gorgeous as them. Let's just go, girls. I'm glad they understand it.
Whoa!
Wait, don't go! Ken, get up and help me! Everyone stays in their place!
Huh? Is he talking about us? Okay, we're staying. But why?
I think you will like my idea. We have randomly chosen you from all our audience to turn y'all into superstars!
Yay! Have you heard that? We are gonna be superstars! What? Are you serious? One day to turn them into superstars? Oh, come on.
One day is more than enough.
You sure?
Absolutely! We have enough time, so stay tuned! So, we don't have enough time!
Sammy, calm down. It's not the first time. We'll manage.
Sue, don't you get it? We've got just one day! One day! Huh?
Hi! We came to get a makeover. Is it the right address? We're so excited!
You are right on time. First, let's get you all cleaned up. All done. You are ready for a makeover?
Yay! I can't wait!
Sue, the sketch of the first dress is ready. Wanna see?
Of course. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Let's color it.
Hey guys, I know how to make this process more fun. Boom, boop, doo, doo. Yay! Let's get this fun makeover party started!
It will be my favorite song ever!
Let's also add some extra sparkles. The more glitter, the more stunning the dress, right? Great! Now we can cut everything out. Aw, this outfit is so cute! Look at this apple tiara. Here you go, Applejack. Oh, wait. Something is missing.
So, what do you think of this hairstyle? I think it quite suits me. What if we just... Ouch!
Sammy! I thought we forgot to make Applejack her mane and tail. Oh, honey, you look gorgeous. An apple outfit for Applejack is done.
Oh, look at me! I do feel like a superstar!
Here I come! Sammy has dressed me up himself!
Wow, Sammy, great job!
Yep, I know! I'm very talented and creative!
It's been so long, I know! But would you just look at them? They look stunning!
Who's next?
Me!
Okay, let's go! Look at the sketches. Do you like your future outfit? Oh, where's Sam? We need his help.
And now, my dear friends, I'll give you some tips on how to become a real superstar. First, get enough rest. Second, never forget you are the best slime around here. I meant the best pony. So, I was saying...
Sammy!
Huh? My help is needed? Coming!
He's so funny!
Sue, I'm here! Did you call me?
Yeah. Could you make a dress for baby Twilight?
Consider it done!
In the meantime, I'm gonna color the dress for her big sister. Purple and pink. What a beautiful combination!
Which color should I choose? Hey, watch out, Sammy! Ouch!
And the final touch, this pretty horn. What do you think, Twilight? Do you like it? Wow, what a stunning outfit!
I love mine too. Let's go and show them to the others.
So, I've already got the sketches for our next outfits.
Perfect! Bring them in.
Sue, we think we can make our outfits on our own without your help.
Are you sure?
On your own? Wait, no you can't.
Sammy, give them a chance.
With this headband on, you'll be the star of the show. I'm not sure.
Yay! I found fabric for our dresses.
Honestly, it doesn't look so good. It's not for a superstar.
Do you think it's a superstar level dress?
I'm not sure I like the results. We made a mistake. Sue, why did they leave?
Relax. Give them time.
Oh, what if they'll never come back? What if they don't need me anymore?
Guys, we need your help. We can do nothing without you. Pretty please.
See? I told you. Okay, let's go.
Sue, wait for me!
Okay, let's see what we've got here. Fluttershy, it's not your color at all. And this hairstyle doesn't suit you either. Luckily, I've already prepared a beautiful outfit for you. So, what do you think? Wait, let's try it on.
Wow, Sue! How did you know the ponies would come back?
Intuition, Sammy. So, I was drawing all this while waiting. Let's dress you up too, baby Fluttershy. And of course, let's not forget your gorgeous mane. There you go. Yay! Make way, it's my turn. You are coming with me. First, I need to take your measurements, Rainbow Dash. So stay still, please. Alrighty.
Can I take it from here, Sue?
Sure thing.
Ta-da! What do you think?
Wow, Sammy, what a cute dress. Great job. Let's try it on, shall we? Oh, it suits you so well.
We've got a new customer, Sue. She needs a pretty dress, too.
Of course. So, are you ready for a makeover, cutie?
Yay!
Perfect. Voila! Wee! You're adorable.
Okay, my pretty ponies. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Let's do this. Hi, everyone.
Hi, look at our outfits.
Yes, look at their dresses. Stunning, right?
Whoa, I can't believe my eyes. Wow.
Nothing impressive.
Huh? What's wrong with her? Wait! Am I too late for the makeover?
No, come here. 1, 2. Ta-da! Wow, it's one of the best makeovers today.
So, friends, are you ready for a fashion show? You are all so bright, so beautiful.
Wait, Sammy. We need an outfit for our last participant. I'm gonna color the dress pink as a shout out to you, Sammy. The wings need to be as remarkable as the dress. I'll add some glitter to make the outfit even more gorgeous.
Here's the rest of the outfit, Sue.
Thank you. This outfit is truly worthy of our beautiful rarity. Just look at all that sparkle. You look gorgeous.
Come up here, girls. No need to be shy. My little stars. Hi, everyone. Awesome. I see now you are all ready for the show. Let's get started.
Hi all! So, are you ready for the grand finale? Woohoo! Meet gorgeous ponies! Would you just look at all these outfits? They are amazing!
Wow, they look very pretty. Real superstars.
I liked working with them so much. Friends, remember to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget about thumbs ups. See you soon.
Bye-bye, everyone. And remember, you are all amazing.
All right, inspection time, Bucky. That's 5 good ones there, 5 slightly cracked ones here.
Guys, anything we can do to help?
No, thank you, Lilac. Bucky and I do this every fall. Count our bowls to make sure we have enough for winter.
That's because we make more soups when it's cold, so every bowl is precious.
Whoops. Maybe we could use a little help.
Oh, what's going on? Can I help too?
Sure, Moss. We're just counting bowls for Thorn.
I'll get it.
Look, there. One that's not broken. Thorn, I'm so sorry.
Accidents happen, Thistle. We make these bowls from acorn caps, which are normally very strong, but these bowls are old and break easily. Just ask Bucky.
I could go gather some more if you tell me where to go.
That would be nice, thank you. The best acorn caps are from the great oak, the biggest, tallest tree in the whole park. Come on, Bucky.
The tallest tree? I'm not really fond of heights.
Whoa! What's been happening here?
Never mind this mess. Thistle just had the brilliant idea to go and collect more acorn bowls for Thorn, and I'm going with her. I want to make it up to Thorn, but I'm a little afraid of high places.
That sounds fun. Can I come along?
Of course! Let's go, team!
Oh!
Huh? Where is everyone?
Your friends? Oh, they're going to collect acorn bowls somewhere in the park.
Oh, but they said I could join in.
That's so like the Lilybuds, always thinking of themselves. Just go off on your own adventure. That's always been my motto.
Bucky, watch and learn. Brand new bowls deserve a brand new recipe. A new and exciting mixture of...
Seaweed and banana.
No, but I'm sure you'll come up with something.
Potato and raspberry?
Let's look in the vegetable basket for ideas. The basket which someone has left by the door. Again, why don't we leave it there?
Because Ellery always steals it.
That's correct. Twice in the last week he's stolen food from that basket. That chipmunk could just sneak in while our backs are turned.
Now, we just need to add a few more autumn colors to make it perfect for visitors to the park. Hey, Rose! Hi, guys! Where are you off to?
We're on an expedition to climb the Great Oak, the highest in the park.
Maybe I could help here. Make some nice, safe colors, closer to the ground, not high up a tree.
We better get moving. The Great Oak is far, and we've got to be back in time for dinner.
Claudette, over here! Carson, the king of catching. Hi, Moss.
Hi, Mom. Hi, guys. Have you seen my friends?
Don't think so. We've been busy playing Pass the Pondweed. You have to catch it or you're out.
Hey, Danny. How come you're not playing with your brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I'm not very good at it, so they forgot about me.
Oh, don't worry. My friends seem to have forgotten me, too. Want to come with me on our own adventure?
Yes! Mama, can I go play with Moss?
Of course, dear. Now, make sure you two stay near the pond.
You see, Bucky? If you put the vegetable basket here by the table, then it's as far from that chipmunk's paws as it can be. Beans. That's what it needs.
Right away, Chef Thorn. A clove of garlic, peas. Huh? I could have sworn I just saw beans in here.
Check the cupboard. Hurry up, please. The soup can't wait.
Sure, Chef Thorn.
That
was lucky. The beans just fell right out into my paw. Guess I'm getting pretty good at this cooking thing, huh, Chef Thorne?
And we need to make sure we're always facing west when we climb the great oak so the sun won't be in our eyes.
Thistle, we've already been through the safety instructions twice.
Yes, but I've just thought up a new list of dangers. Getting scraped by bark, falling into a bird's nest and being fed worms, or being accidentally sat on by a mother bird. Maybe we could gather acorn caps from the ground.
No, we need new ones, fresh from the tree. The ones on the ground will be old and brittle like the ones in the buttercup.
Hold on a sec. Has anyone thought about how we're going to get up a tree this tall?
Oh, well, let's go. Can't say we didn't try.
Use a climbing plant to do the climbing for us. One Virginia creeper coming right up.
Let's go somewhere muddy.
Or somewhere with bugs to eat.
There's a place in the park where dogs play. Maybe we could dig up something to play catch with.
That sounds way better than catching pondweed.
Huh? Falling acorns? Oh, come on, buddy. Let's get out of here.
Oops, dropped one. I'm going to sit down and be safety monitor. Safety monitors always sit down.
You okay, Thistle? You know, you probably should have sent someone else if you don't like heights.
Stirring soup with a spoon. It will be ready soon. Stirring soup with a spoon.
Bucky, how's that soup coming along?
Try it and see, Chef Thorne.
You added parsley. Excellent. But something is missing. Peas.
Oh, I forgot to put those in. Huh? Hey, peas are gone.
I bet Ellery sneaked in here and grabbed them while I was out. He's a crafty one, that chipmunk.
He couldn't have. I keep checking the door every few minutes. Huh?
Here are your peas. Bucky, a good chef needs to know everything that's going on in his kitchen, like I do.
Oh, you guys should see this view.
I'd rather not.
Wait a second. A duckling? And is that Moss?
Moss? Why is he out here? Oh, Moss wanted to join in with us, but we left before he came back from getting that bowl.
Oh, poor Moss. He must think we forgot all about him, which we did.
Don't feel bad. They look like they're having a good time. Oh, no! A puppy is running towards Moss and Danny. Oh, we need to warn them. Climbing down will take too long.
We'll use our emergency poppy chutes. You two can float down in yours, and I can climb down nice and gently.
Poppy shoots? We kind of left ours back at the village.
Honestly, no one listens to me.
I'm sorry. I can use yours if you want.
No, they are fitted for each of us a certain way. I'll just have to be brave. For Moss. Oh, you can do it, Thistle.
You can do it, Thistle.
Okay, for Moss. Moss, Danny, watch out! Behind you! Take cover, boys! Oh, that was close. What are you two doing all the way out here?
We were both kind of upset at being forgotten.
So we decided to make our own adventure.
Maybe it wasn't the best idea.
It's okay, Moss. Let's go home. I think we've all had enough adventure for one day.
Thistle was incredible. A real action hero. Sorry I didn't listen to you.
That's okay. We're sorry too, Moss. We didn't mean to go off without you. We got caught up in the excitement of the expedition.
We'd never do that on purpose. You know that, right?
Yeah, especially since Thistle faced a big fear to save me. I did have a fun adventure, but it would have been more fun with all my friends.
Chef Thorne, did you just sneeze? Because someone did, and I don't think it was me.
Bucky, you need to relax. Life is beautiful. Everyone loves our new soup. And best of all, because of my keen senses, Ellery never got anywhere near the kitchen.
Enough. I'll never steal food again.